This time on Fox Can Fix It, we're doing a camper top delete. Well, that's already much better. There's a little bit of tape on here to take off, and then we're going to put a tonneau cover on, hopefully, that I've saved over the years from an S-10 that I didn't have, but a friend of mine had, and he didn't need the tonneau cover, so I got the tonneau cover. I've just been carrying it around for years. It might actually fit, so that's what we're going to do next. All right, well, that's it. After a little bit of struggle, we took that off and we made an S-10 tonneau cover fit on a Dodge Ram 50 / Mitsubishi Mighty Max. I mean, we all know it's the same thing, but size-wise, it looks pretty good. Horribly filthy where the cap was. That's still got to be cleaned. I'm missing a cargo light or third brake light. I don't know what's going on there. I'll have to see if I can find one. If not, we'll plug it. Looks like somebody already tried to already. Great. The only thing I'm missing out of this entire S-10 kit is I'm missing this one corner. So right now I've sort of got a rubber / metal piece in there, and it's kind of warping a little bit. So I'll have to get a better metal piece or find the actual tonneau cover corner or find one in a junkyard. But that's not bad. It's way better than it was when we started today. We've got definitely a better looking Dodge Power Ram 50. Thanks to my assistant and her assistant in the background, Allison and Evie. Without them, we could have done this a lot faster. So that's gonna do it for today. And hopefully you like, share, and subscribe. And if you do that, we'll see you next time.